Exercise number 23, PLD book. This dictation recorded by Akshar Ali, stenographer. Ready. The judgment of this court in application to a situation where a manufacturer issues a credit note to a dealer acting under a warranty given by the manufacturer pursuant to a sale of an automobile in the following situations. Full stop. The dealer replaces a defective part of the automobile by a spare part maintained in the stock of the dealer, or when the same is purchased by the dealer from the open market. Full stop. In such situations, the credit note issued in the name of the dealer is a valuable consideration for a transfer of property in the spare part made by the dealer to the customer, and hence a sale within the meaning of the sales tax legislations of the respective states under consideration. Full stop. The value in the credit note is thus eligible to sales tax under the respective sales tax enactments under consideration. Full stop. The judgment in does not apply to a case where the dealer has simply received a spare part from the manufacturer of the automobile so as to replace a defective part therein under a warranty collateral to the sale of the automobile. Full stop. In such a situation also, the dealer may receive a consideration for the purpose of the service rendered by him as a dealer under a dealership agreement or any other agreement akin to an agent of the manufacturer, which is not a sale consideration. Full stop.